hello, here we are at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Emma. So Emma, can you introduce your company to us, please?
Our company is Zhejiang Yunchuangxiang, culture and creative company.
And where is your factory based?
Our factory is based on Zhejiang province.
And I understand your company was established in 2023, but your general manager, Meng Jie, has over 15 years experience with these products. So I'm wondering, does your factory have all the certifications?
Yeah, we've got CPC and CE.
Okay, that's very good. It's very important with the safety for our children, but also what's more important is the fun that we have with these products. So can you tell me what's this new fun product that you're going to be introducing?
Our new product is mini kitchen.
Oh, that's so good. Wow. Look at this. I get hungry just looking at it. So it's non-toxic paint, I understand?
Yeah.
Non-toxic.
Non-toxic.
Yes, and it has very smooth edges, so it's very sleek design, and it has a very lovely pink and white design. It seems it's very good for children to role play and express their creativity. Yes, I think I want to see what's cooking. Oh, we have some shrimp, I believe. Oh, yes, we have some shrimp in here, so it's going to be very nice for cooking it away. And it's very interesting. So, can you tell me, if I was interested in purchasing this product, where could I find your contact information?
You can follow us in this and you can reach us in our email.
Okay, very good. As you can see, all the information is there. You can scan the QR code or the email on the card. Thank you very much for talking to me. I'm very excited to see how this product goes. So, best of luck in the new year.